Well, it's 10 to 6 and we were just going out on our first safari of the morning. It's the last day of our American friends being here before they fly home. And we headed out for about 3 minutes. And this is what we had. Suddenly started coming down like you would not believe. This is our first real African rain. And it's coming down in buckets full. It's really good for us. In a couple of days we'll see everything turn green as anything, which you'll see in subsequent videos, but pretty miserable this morning. I have no idea how long this is going to go on. Our guide just said that if this continues there's no point going out today because the animals will not be around and he can't see where he's driving. So it might be a nice quiet morning reading and chatting. Welcome to Africa.
Africa is dreaming.
A bit of a walk around. This is the library.
We're very used to it, but it's just like terrestrial. You don't usually.
Nice and cozy.
Yeah.
Computer in the corner. That was coffee before we headed out. There's Lou and Raoul.
I know what you mean.
It's the gift shop. This is the pool area. And there. And further out there is the water hole, which will be like an ocean very soon. This is the main lobby area where we head out to get onto the truck. We'll walk back through. Here's the truck where we almost drowned this morning. There's some days you wish you had a roof, such as today.